Losing your card feels like a mini heart attack, but with the PNC app, you can stop unauthorized charges fast. First things first. Unlock your phone and tap on the PNC mobile banking app icon to launch it. Make sure you have the latest version installed for the best security features. Now, log into your account using your username and password, or, if you've set it up, through fingerprint or facial recognition. Once you're logged in, you'll typically land on the account summary screen. If not, click on the Accounts tab at the bottom to see a list of all of your accounts and cards. Scroll down and find the debit or credit card you want to lock. Tap on that card to view its details. On the card details screen, look for an option that says Manage Card or something similar. It might be represented by a gear icon. Tap on that. You should now see a menu with various card management options. Look for a lock card or temporarily lock option and tap on it. A screen will pop up asking you to confirm that you want to lock your card. Usually, it shows a toggle switch. Make sure the switch is toggled to the on or locked position. Some apps will ask you to verify by answering a security question. After confirming, you should see a confirmation message stating that your card is now locked. This prevents any new purchases or transactions from being authorized. You can unlock it just as easily if you find your card by following the same steps and toggling the lock switch back to the off position. Stay safe out there.